If you want to build a custom gaming PC for cheap, well, you have to cut a lot of corners like paying a lot for a case, and use some parts you may already have assuming that they work, like this box of parts I paid $100 for. Looks like my work is cut out for me, so hello friends and welcome. Case selection was easy, as I'm always rooting for the underdog, and although it's not the most durable or well constructed, I see potential. I'm thinking maybe just a little bit of color and maybe a front intake fan, that could possibly work. And I have no idea who the manufacturer of this case is, as for there is no stamps anywhere. Maybe if you know, hit me up in the comments who makes this. While I prepare to tear down this old beast, how many of you do this kind of stuff for fun, with just parts and pieces that you find along the way? I'm interested to find out. Off camera, I painted this 90mm fan and front bezel trim, plus I cut a 3-inch hole. Actually, I think it's looking pretty cool this color. Do you agree? I only wanted to buy a GT 1030. This fella had listed for $40. But then he says I have a HP Omen. I can have it all for $100. I don't think I actually got it all, but I think I may have made out on the deal. That dirty CPU cooler was a Ryzen 5 1400. What? I already had a nicer dark flash CPU cooler I picked up on sale for $20 a while back, so I'm gonna slap that on this. With only 2GB of VRAM, it's a hard pill to swallow in today's gaming, but keeping this whole thing under $200 was my goal anyways. And between the 1030 and 1050, they equally work fine. For being sold as a gaming PC, the BIOS is just basic HP stuff, so I really couldn't fool around with any overclocking features, unless I want to download Ryzen Master maybe. Anyway, let's bench Gears 5 1080p medium settings. Whoa, that wasn't too shabby, but how about COD Warzone 1080p low?
Hostile dropping into the area. Enemy UAV overhead. Watch the skies. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy dropping into the area.
I love all of Serious Sam games, man. They're great, and I'm having a blast with this little PC build. Sure, it would look better in an original case of gaming, but I don't have it. Or sure, you could even buy a gaming case cheap with all the bells and the whistles. But this is what I have, folks, and you know, I don't think it's all that bad. Finding deals like this, yeah, they're few and far in between, but you can do it if you stick to the marketplaces, use marketplaces, and you know, ask a lot of questions. Do this on a daily basis, and you can come up with even better stuff than this for cheap. So please do stay safe, and thank you for watching.